Hey everyone, this is Leah the Bunny 123, and today I'm in Artistica's den, but I am going to be doing, I'm going to be getting another small house den, and I'm going to be putting all my den items in it. So, let's go. Okay. So, I will be getting a small house den for just for this video. So, let's go. So I'm going to get a new one, and small house, there, that's nice. Okay, so now I'm going to switch it to the small house. I just X'd out for no reason. Okay, so here's a new small house den. So I'll be putting all my items in it. Let's go, and I'll unpause it like every 5 items I put in here. It's gonna look really, really cluttered. 167 items. Okay, let's go. Or maybe every 10 items. Okay, now I'm actually gonna do it. Koki, trade me. Oh, right, that's nice. Good enough. Alright. That's a nice candle. Well, there's another 10 item. Okay, so I think this is a little more than 10 items, but this is how it looks so far, and I've got so much more to go. Alright, let's keep going. Okay, so I got another round 10 items. We still got plenty more to go. This is how it looks so far. Still a bunch of stuff. Turn on that lamp. Okay. Okay, we got another round of probably like 13 items. See, as you can see, I added walls and stuff. So, alright. Time for a lot more decorating. Okay, I've gotten yet another like 15 items on here. It's the membership book said when I was still non-member, it said you can fit like 200 items in a den. So got 168. I think it'll fit. Alright. Got a lot more to do. I don't know if this is all gonna fit. It's just gonna look like a cluttered mess of stuff. Okay, I've gotten yet even more stuff in. Like, look at this. Like, what? And I've still plenty more to go. And I have, like, no space left. Okay, I have some. But not very much. The big pet tree took up all of it. So, yeah. So, I had more items, as you can see. I had to change out the walls because, like, it came to that while I was looking at it, like, on here. So, I can't get every single item inside my den, because I can't get every single, like, wall type thing. But, besides that, I can do it. So, let's just see how I'll end up. Okay, so I got even like more of the stuff. Got the treat table came in, and I sort of had to, ruin things. And the ghost rug is under there. Oh, yeah. So we still got everything, but we got a lot to go. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna see how much I have left to go. Maybe I should start from my first items from back when I was a non-member. So like the welcome mat and stuff, you know, this can all go like all cluttered. I never said for it to look good, so yeah. It's insane. Like, it's like so hard to move my screen. There's like so many dead items in here. Like, and I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, I've got a lot more to go. After I do like 3 rows, or column row things, I will unpause. I'm like running out of space. I'm starting to have to like put stuff in like on the top of my den. And look at, oh my god, I've got so much left. It's insane. Well, there. So, a candy window. Well, that's gonna just go there. Here, look, it's my first ever masterpiece. McDonald's French fries. For some reason, it's black poutine and not gray. And a pink and blue donut. I've added yet more stuff, like here, like all the balloons except 2, like 2 are over here. And like all my balloons and all my stuff, it's all like stacked on top of each other. Because I have nowhere else to put it. At first it started looking nice, but now it's looking bad. It's like too much. I think I've gone too far with this. I really have. Well, that donut tray is going to go over there, so is that great? We're going to move this over. I don't know. Maybe like over here, so it's not completely blocking it. Oh wow. Alright, we're gonna put that there. Where do I put this bench? Whoa. Okay, we're just gonna put that in that clutter. I have to change the floor now because, as you can see, I have to. Okay. Okay, we're getting closer and closer to the end. It's like a mess here. Let's see how much we have more to go. 1. We're so close, but then we gotta do pets and music. So that's like another 30 things. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Gate, and at this point I'm just stacking things on top of each other, except moving the huge things. Maybe like here. That can also go on the table. Where do I put this? This is the problem with having so much stuff. And then again, so many people have much more stuff than me, like 1,000 things. And so, like, everything, it just won't fit in here. Just gonna put that over the window. 2 more actual den items. And last one. I put that on the bed. Finally! But now we got pets. Boy. Okay, I have a lot more to go. So, yeah, to really weird. At this point, I don't care where my pets go, but they're all either here, around here. Can't really see them. But finally, last thing, music. I don't even know what would fit this. I can't put all my music in one, so it's best I can get. Well, no, we need crazy music. Okay. Good enough. It's not really crazy, though. Anyway, guys, that's it. It is, like, literally, I have put all my items in my den. All of them. Okay, there we go. All of them. This took so long. but we'll take a little tour. So first you go through the archway into my humble home. Wow, okay, I'm gonna turn into a bird so you can see all of this. Wow. Wow. Okay. So we're gonna turn into a bird. Or a falcon, I mean. Okay, so now we can fly. Here, so over here, there's all this. There's this tree. Well, not really. Jamal Day tree then, I mean. Okay, I cannot, like, go higher than this. But some stuff is up here. It's up here. Over here. It's insane, like, everything. You might think I don't have everything on here. But trust me, I do, except if you like the walls and floors. But that's it. It's insane. So, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. And, bye!